Alright, let's get to our next item in the list. You know, because I live in an apartment, and in my condominium apartment, there's like a special rack for people to put food items. So it makes it easier for for me and for everyone else. I mean, the rider doesn't have to wait for me. I don't have to wait for the rider. You know, the moment he reaches, he just puts the food item there and he just goes on his way. So when I'm free, I'll just walk down and I'll get my food items. So that's the beauty of where I live in, actually. Anyway, let's move on to Atom against BTC. Atom against BTC. Wow, look at this. Look at this. It's still very bullish. It's still very bullish. Atom BTC is still solid bullish. It feels to me like Atom had a sudden surge, right, 7 days ago. I was actually anticipating the possibility of Atom collapsing lower, but this is very bullish. Atom BTC is very bullish. USD, nope. BTC, yes. We actually noticed this trend coming on for the altcoins, and it is coming on for Atom against BTC as well. Yeah, we're above the skinny pink line. We have already completed a valley. I think we'll probably come down. My guess is we'll probably come down, form another valley, right? We might get a series of 3 valleys or even 4 or 5 valleys, but after we complete the consolidation or accumulation, more likely than not, we're going to see Atom hit much higher against BTC. BT fucking say. So, yeah, there you go. That's our take for Atom BTC, Atom USDT. Here we are. Yes, sir. Atom USDT, we noticed the inverse head and shoulders. Ta-da! We broke out of it. Ta-da! And now we're coming back down. Feels to me like we are completing a potential inverse head and shoulders that could bring us much higher, right? I don't know why. Atom is a very strange alt compared to the others, because Atom seems to still be bullish for some strange reason. Yes, Atom is, we've already retraced quite a lot, 17%, but to be honest, the overall formation, right, is still pretty bullish. I kid you freaking not. It's still very bullish. Oh boy, this is some funny stuff happening in the world of crypto. There are certain coins that are very bearish, and there are certain coins that are still very bullish. And Atom is one of those coins that is very bullish still. But be very careful, because I feel like the end of Atom is not too far away, because I could already count for Atom against USDT 5 freaking waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 more 5. That's it. We collapse. I mean, of course, I could be wrong, and Atom could still fight its way up towards $100. It could still happen. But yeah, more likely than not, I can already count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, more likely than not, we should be spending some time under the skinny pink line, right? So maybe one last hoorah, and after that, pump, we come back down. That's my guess. Of course, I could be wrong, but in terms of tradability, no clear signs of a proper tradable chart pattern yet. I suspect that the support will probably hold one punch, right? One punch man. Punch, and then there'll be a bounce, right? If we come back and revisit the support and we get another punch, we will punch through, right? If we keep punching, eventually it will break. The support will break. But if we have a punch, we bounce off of it and we go back towards the upside and we punch the resistance instead of the support. Punch, boom, one punch man, and then we punch our way through for Atom against USDT. That'll be the best case scenario, but it all depends upon the wills of BTC. If BTC continues collapsing lower and lower, it is going to pull Atom down together with it. If BTC drops to the figure that we are expecting, potentially, doesn't mean it's going to happen, but potentially we could see BTC drop all the way back down to sub 20k. That's right. So if Bitcoin drops to sub 20k, Atom is going to drop all the way back down as well under the skinny pink line, right? So yeah, you can bet your butt that more likely than not, Atom is going to fall as well. But if Bitcoin doesn't drop all the way back down to 16k, and if Bitcoin starts a reversal somewhere between, what's the price right now for Bitcoin? Somewhere between 40 to 20, maybe we hit 30 something k, right? And after that, we just might see some sort of a reversal back up. Ooh, I hit the mic. But it all depends upon the whales of BTC. Are they going to pull BTC's price lower, or are they going to push BTC's price higher? It depends upon the whales. So yeah, we'll be watching BTC. Well, you should be watching BTC actually, not Atom, but BTC. I mean, not just Atom, but both Atom and BTC, right?